Another day, another plethora of content from the virtual stages of 3D Experience World 2021, plus another cup of coffee. How's it going, everyone? My name is Matthew Fontana and I am an application engineer for Swift Solutions. And today we're going to be recapping day 2 of 3D Experience World 2021. So let's take a look. If you missed out on day 1, check out my recap in the description below to get up to speed. Today was another day just jam-packed full of awesome information that really gets me excited with what's here and what's to come with the 3D Experience and SOLIDWORKS solutions. Today, before the general session, you could get into some networking. There was a chance to join in on some assorted meetup sessions for engineers, makers, students, and various other groups of like-minded individuals. That led into the start of the general session where we got to hear from Florence Hu, the Executive VP of R&D for Dassault Systems, about how you can utilize the power of the tools in the 3D Experience Works portfolio to move from product to experience. Then we heard from VP of SOLIDWORKS R&D, Manish Kumar, speak about a few projects that have utilized tools from the 3D Experience Works portfolio. These projects included Skinny Guy campers, mobile campers for outdoor enthusiasts, Clipped, an autonomous lawnmower, Square Robot, an autonomous robot for above-ground storage tank inspection, Ride-On, zero-turn mowers, Seed Terminator, an attachment to combine harvesters that takes care of weeds before they become a problem, and IDH Tractors, which produces agricultural tractors. We capped off the general session listening into the keynote speaker of the day, Frank Stephenson, the design director of Frank Stephenson Design, who has worked in the past for major automotive manufacturers such as McLaren, Ferrari, and more. He gave us some great insight into how important it is to have the right tools to allow yourself to rapidly innovate. After the general session, the deep dive domain sessions began, where you could get a deeper look into 4 areas of the 3D Experience solutions. In the first, you could learn about a complete workflow from mechanical and industrial design to manufacturing and collaboration all the way through on the 3D Experience platform in a fun played-out scenario. Then there was a session on data management solutions, which took a look at real use cases for SOLIDWORKS PDM and Innovia tools on the 3D Experience platform through an interview-style format with real-life users. Another domain we got to take a look at was simulation, with the Simulia tools available and how they can enhance your workflow with their extraordinary simulation power. And lastly, we had a chance to check out some of the capabilities of the DelmiaWorks solutions and what's to come with those. After the deep dive domain sessions, you had the chance to head off to the breakout sessions. With just as great a selection as day 1, you had the chance to learn about anything from design to manufacturing and anything in between. We rounded off the day with a What's New skit, a continuation from day 1, where we got a glance at Lean Team Player, Release Engineer, Project Planner, some of the browser-based design apps, and a look at the simulation capabilities available to the 3D Experience Works portfolio. The skit finished with a cliffhanger, getting ready to take a look at SOLIDWORKS 2022. Guess you'll just have to come back tomorrow to get that full look. All in all, it was another great day filled with great content. And don't forget, you can access on-demand replays of all of this for 30 days. Just head on over to 3dexperience.com and register for free if you haven't already. That's all for day 2 here, there, and everywhere for 3D Experience World 2021.